Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very good hair tutorial focusing on the hairline on my Icy Level 10 client Brittany. Today I'm using Fanola's No Yellow Ultra Lightening Powder with Fanola's Fiber Fix Part 1. I've really been loving this lightener and fiber fix. I've been getting amazing results. And I like that the lightener smells really good like bazooka and it gets up to 9 levels of a lift. This is Brittany's second session with me. She used to do all of her lightener application from roots to ends every single time overlapping, and she's been doing that forever, literally. So she came to me and said she really wants to grow her hair. She's been trying to do it, tired of the breaking. So the first session we did something called a foil conversion. Blondes get nervous with even a dark blonde low light, but she was open to it and we did it. For those of you who don't know what a foil conversion is, it's like the foil version of a reverse balayage. I have a video from a while ago titled Foil Conversion right down in my videos area, and I'll link them down below, all of the ones I have, and I'll put them on the card as well so you can check them out after this video. I will also have a new one or two on the way coming soon with different techniques. Anyway, session 1 we did 2 highlights to 1 low light over the entire head. Once I was done foiling each section, I did a paint between using, I believe, Colorance, one of my favorite lines. 7N7G, I love this low light for blondes. The low light we did Colorance 8N7G, so she didn't go too dark. The lighter the hair, the more porous, and it will suck it up darker. So always remember, do a level or 2 lighter. Trust me, I've made crazy mistakes in my past. During the paint between, I staggered each one, some 1 inch, only others 2 or 3, but never more than 3 inches. This helps not cause a harsh line at the root area. And then we shadowed her with Colorance 10B, 10P, 7N, 7NA, and toned her ends with 10P, 10N. So today we are going to just touch up her roots with lightener and brighten her up around the face. I'll be focusing on that Moneypiece area and the hairline that wraps around the entire head and the nape area as well. Some clients I'll do a slice or 2 and follow it with tightly packed baby lights and eventually lead back into my normal baby lights. Other clients I'll do all tightly packed baby lights. I only have maybe a handful of those clients because most want a bright hairline. It's just on trend right now. And other clients who love a very bright hairline Moneypiece area, I do exactly what I'm doing today for those level 10 blondes. Every single hairline foil is all baby fine slices. You never want to do thick ones because they won't process correctly. That's seriously the worst thing you can do. After I do all the slicing around the hairline, even the nape, I go back into tightly packed baby lights around the entire head as you see me doing.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires, reflecting in my eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything. All the stops, runaways, we're looking up, chasing another sign. Oh, we do it right, soaking up the painted sky. Overhead a billion fires, reflecting in your eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is
So Brittany processed for about 45 minutes. Now we are pre-toning her with my favorite purple shampoo, Fanola No Yellow Vegan Edition. I like pre-toning because it lets me know how the hair is going to take the toner, or lets me know some trouble spots I need to work on further. Guys, look at that hair. Look at that hairline. I'm root shadowing her with my favorite Goldwell Colorance 7N7NA. This line is a little pricier, but so worth every penny. I only used a certain 8 colors, but thinking about diving into a little bit more of the line, and even their permanent line as well. I like how they actually have cans for the permanent and demi line for Goldwell. You get more product, and it's cool how they have their own bowls and their own bottles. As you see, when I'm doing the root shadow around the head, I leave the Moneypiece area and hairline around the face out when I am doing the rest of the hair. Even though I'm shadowing her and she wants a lot of depth at the root, I still just tap the Moneypieces last and around the hairline so she maintains that Moneypiece and keeps it bright around the hairline. I wanted to address quickly that yes, she has some hair in the comb. No, her hair didn't break off. Same as the before video you seen in the start. Some of her hair is hanging by a thread from all the overlapping all the time she did in the past. And she goes a long time in between washes, so all that shed's coming out. I also wanted to mention that I did not overlap. I just touched her fresh regrowth at the roots. I wanted to just say it wasn't a lot of hair. It looks way worse than it was in person. I know how to take care of my client's hair. She knows how to take care of her hair. Blonding is damaging. If anything, her hair is 95% healthier than it was when she first came to me for her first session. No need for negative comments. We're aware of her hair being compromised. I already addressed everything with her.
Middle of the night, when the moon is high, could you bring it down for me? Take a sip of paradise, here below the lights. All the people looking up.
Guys, look at that amazing, beautiful Moneypiece and hairline. Ignore the little bit of root shadow color stuck on her scalp. I was tired. I did 3 YouTube videos, full highlights that day, and I had 5 clients total. Let me know what you think down below. Constructive criticism is always welcome. Let me know videos you want to see below as well. Give me a fat, huge thumbs up. Share with friends and family you think would love my content. And oh yeah, subscribe because it's free to support. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, so long for now.
This is all I need. Oh, I've got everything. We can run past all the stops, runaways for looking up, chasing another sign. Oh, we do it right, soaking up the painted sky. Overhead, a billion fires reflecting.
And that is a wrap, bitches. 14 hours later. Look at that hair. I love it.